As weird as it sounds, it's often easier to show things going wrong or what they shouldn't be like than actually showing the right process. So this is me annealing a piece of wire, and I anneal it all over, moving my blowtorch back and forth. But watch what happens when I put my torch just on an area and don't move it. So this piece of wire has been heated, and I just directed the heat onto one area, and you can see that it just completely melted. And actually, if you look at this surface, it's gone all textured. So this has been overheated, some of it is melted, it's not ideal, and this piece of wire could now be brittle. Moving on to sheet. This is when you heat a piece of sheet up, and again, I'm not moving my blowtorch over the whole piece of silver. And actually, this blowtorch is just directly affecting one area, so I'm just putting it over that one area. And what's happening here is that it's going to draw some of the copper out of that silver because it's not heating evenly, and you really want to heat your silver evenly. And as you can see, where that blowtorch was now has a dark shadow of fire stain.